Hello students, welcome to our Varna e-Education YouTube channel. Myself Bharti Nikam from Shivraj Vidyalaya, Aitode Khurd. Today we have to study modern periodic table from Science and Technology part 1st 10th standard. Up to date there are 118 elements were discovered. All these elements were systematically arranged in a tabular form by English scientist Moseley. This table is also known as long form of modern periodic table. This table consists of horizontal rows and vertical columns. The horizontal rows are called as periods. There are total 7 horizontal rows in the table, means there are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. They are numbered as 1, 2 up to 7 and read as period 1, period 2 like this. The vertical columns are called as groups. There are total 18 vertical columns in the table, means there are 18 groups in the periodic table. They are numbered by using numerals from 1 to 18 and Roman numerals are also used for numbering these groups. These groups are read as group 1, group 2, group 18 like this. The elements in the periodic table are divided into 4 blocks such as S block, P block, D block and F block elements. S block. The elements at the left side of the periodic table from group 1 and 2 are known as S block elements. The group 1 and 2 is of S block. At the right side of the periodic table from group 13 to 18 all the elements are P block elements. The elements at the middle of the periodic table from group 3 to 12 are known as D block elements. At the bottom of the periodic table there are 2 series of elements, lanthanide series and actinide series. The elements from these 2 series are F block elements. There are also 4 types of elements in the periodic table. Normal elements, inert gases, transition elements and inner transition elements. Normal elements. The elements from left side of the periodic table from S block, that is from group 1 and 2, and elements from P block at the right side from group 13 to 17 are the normal elements. inert gases. The elements present extremely at the right side from group 18 are inert gases. Group 18 is also called as zero group, and these elements means inert gases are the zero group elements. Transition elements. The elements from D block at the middle of the periodic table from group 3 to 12 are transition elements. Inner transition elements. The elements present at the bottom of the periodic table from A block from lanthanide and actinide series elements are known as inner transition elements. The elements are also divided into three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. We see there is a zigzag line, that is boundary line between D block and P block. The elements present in this line are the metalloids, which contains the properties of both metals and non-metals. The elements at the left side of this line are metals, and the elements of the right side of this line are non-metals. Alkali metals are placed at group 1. Hence group 1 is called as group of alkali metals. Alkaline earth metals are kept in the group 2. Group 2 is of the alkaline earth metals. All the halogens are kept at group 17. Group 17 is the halogen group. And group 18 is of the inert gases like helium, neon. In this way, we studied modern periodic table in detail.